Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom, getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she's waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun. Now I know that I'm not all that you got. I guess that I just thought maybe we could find new ways to fall apart. But our friends are back, so let's raise a glass. 'Cause I found someone to carry me home tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun. Carry me home tonight. Just carry me home tonight. Carry me home tonight. Just carry me home tonight. The moon is on my side. I had no reason to run, so will someone come and carry me home tonight? The angels never arrive, but I can hear the cry. So will someone come and carry me home tonight? We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can burn brighter than the sun. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.
All alone, somewhere far away from home, in a lonely place where no one knows your name. Lost inside a corner of your mind, looking for a place to hide and none to find. Back in the days when you force of love. Like a wind blowing high above the clouds, you were moving fast but couldn't touch the ground. Think of the days when you were just a child. You felt a joy so tenderly. And if you stop to listen to what you feel inside, you can be everything you wanted to be. You have the power to achieve if you reach inside your heart. Your wish is waiting for you. The truth is written in the stars. No matter where you are, you feel the force of love. All the pain and tears and broken dreams flowing like a river. It's never easy to see. Trust what you feel and just keep your spirit free. You can be all the things you wanted to be in your dreams. You have the power to believe. Make a promise in your heart. Your future's waiting for you. A secret in the sky above, like a shooting star. You feel the force of love. It's written in the stars.